Simon-Kaloi products such as the R-Pod 8.4 and MS-2E are being used in themed attractions worldwide. Applications include onboard audio systems, sound, lighting, and motion control in dark rides, animatronic controllers, and numerous other applications. Here's another unique use of the Mini-Sam as a digital doorbell. There are speakers located throughout the house that when the doorbell is pressed, it alternates various cuts of audio. For example, here's my college fight song. On the next press, it plays the Let's Go Blue cheer. A single Mini-Sam was used to read the doorbell switch and drive 4 speakers located throughout the house. In a similar manner, at the office of Simon-Kaloi Engineering, sensors and doorbell switches were installed at the front and back doors, along with speakers connected to a Mini-Sam. So when the front doorbell is pushed,
Hello?
and when the door is open, when the rear door is open, and when the rear doorbell is pressed.
Bueller, Bueller, Bueller.
These are just some examples of the many ways Simon-Kaloi Engineering products can be used. Thanks for watching.